A rolling hitch.
Yep.
The purpose of rolling hitch is to make a line fast to an object, either as a pole or rope or even to itself. Rolling hitch has a lot of strength in direction of its tension, so long as it's down the line and not at right angles to it. This is the standing end. This is the standing end. This is the working end. The standing end takes a turn around the line is being made fast to. Take a full turn, then a second full turn. And that second full turn then pulls inside the first one so that it trips over like that. And then you keep going in the same direction around the rope and finish it off with a half hitch. The reason it's called a rolling hitch is because it can be moved, be adjusted backwards, put tension on, pull up tight, and it'll hold. So it has a great deal of strength in the direction of the load, not great strength at right angles to it. I'll demonstrate making it fast to an object. The working end passes under the standing end, right around the object. Then the second turn passes between the standing end and the first turn, continues around, and then finishes above it in a half hitch. Rolling hitch. I'll also show it tied around another rope, say this rope here. Same thing, working end passes under the standing end. The second turn then passes between the first turn and the standing end, and then you finish off with a half hitch above the standing end. And so rolling hitch.